I've asked, I don't know, 10,000 people what they mean by mindset, because it is a word loaded with meaning for people, and it's used everywhere. And most people come up with a fairly fuzzy, indistinct, they know what they think they mean by it, but until they try to express it, and then they don't really know what they mean. So it's a word that is varied and fuzzy. But there are two kind of primary ways in which they describe it. One is a sort of dictionary version of it, which is the attitudes and beliefs that somebody has. And the other is completely different, which is a mental model, an idea that they hold. So those things are very different, but they're actually part of what a mindset is. But the bit that's missing from that, and you can see this most closely when you're looking at situations that are either high stress, high uncertainty, high conflict, which is the role of emotions and the role of our bodies in relation to how we make sense of things. So my definition of mindset is not this kind of loose thing of it's an idea or it's a categorization of you as a person being, open or closed or growth minded or whatever. It's how you make sense of yourself in the world.